Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to join in with the hashtag Citrus Punch Mondays 2025. I think I have that hashtag right. Otherwise, you can just look right down below. It'll be in the description box or right in the title. Anyways, so I thought I would try my hand at the little ants that I made out of the bees and make a card with that. And so let's jump right in. So I am using this tiny little ladybug from Cottage Cuts from the Mushroom Garden. These are the enamel dots that I'm using. I'm using white, Jaded Blossom bead eyes, and like I said, I'm using the ant that I made from that. And then from my Creative Time, her jar label dies, I'm using this one right there. And the sentiment is sending you a big squeeze. From Lawn Fawn, I'm using the fruit salad. And I won this last year from the Citrus Punch Mondays. Thank you so much, Veronica. So I've really been enjoying using this paper. And then the last item is also from my Creative Time. And this is called the Circle Card Add-ons. And I'm using both of these. And here goes this adorable little card. I thought I would make a circle card, but I wanted it to stand up. So I turned that circle card into an easel card. Haven't made an easel card in years. So I thought that was super cute. Let me bring that up a little bit more close so you can see it. It's just adorable. I love it. I don't know where I got the leaf from because I have die cuts just sitting around, and I want to say it might be from Altenew, but I am not even for sure. I know this little flower came from Spellbinders. What set, I don't know. But the lemon, I showed you my little fruit stack of the lemons and stuff that I had cut out the other day. So those things were just already made, and I just pulled them out of my stash. And then the items that I did pull out today to make this, I've shown you. So anyways, this is just adorable. I love this card, super cute. And I used some metallic paper for that, for the ant. But love how that turned out. If you have the time, this is the last Monday in June for you to join in on the hashtag Citrus Punch Mondays 2025. And so that's hosted by Veronica, VLB Allen 1, and Audrey, which is Sewgoodall. So I'll have the ladies' links down below. If you have the time, please join in so we can see what you have created. This has been so much fun. I was able to join the first one, the first week, and now I'm able to join the last week. So thank you so much, ladies, for hosting this again. So much fun. Love seeing your projects. And yeah, so that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.